Mental generals. First, ambrosia. Seats for day sweeping. Due to business embarrassment, unable to sleep. Next come to Ammon carp. Ill humor during wet stormy weather. Next come to anacardium. Sudden loss of memory, unfit for business. Everything seems to be in a dream. Seems bent on wickedness. Lack of confidence in himself and other, irresistible desire to curse and swear. Feels as if two wills, one commanding, other forbids. As if someone were pursuing him, suspect everything around him. Hypochondriacs with hemorrhoid and constipation. It is the second medicine for hypochondriacs. Please comment the first medicine of hypochondria. Then, sensation as of a hoop or a band around part, as of a plug in inner part. Next medicine is antimcrude. Child cannot bear to be touched or looked at. Great sadness with weeping, loathing life. Abject despair, suicide by drowning. Irresistible desire to talk in rhymes or repeat verses, but in stramonium make verses and riffs. Please compare to remember. Sentimental mood in moonlight, especially ecstatic love, bad effect of disappointed affection. Other is calcarea phos. Next come to antimtat. Child will not let you feel the pulse. Other two remedies are antimcrude and sanicula. Next come to epismell. Elements from jealousy, fright, rage, vexation and bad news. Weeping disposition cannot help crying. Sudden shrill piercing screams from children. Next come to arginitricum. Apprehension when ready for church or opera, diarrhea sets in. Time passes too slowly, always hurried. Other remedy for time passes slowly is alumina. An hour seems half a day. Must compare. Next come to Arnica montana. Unconscious when spoken, answer correctly. Again delirium written at once. This is the first delirium remedy. Patient says nothing the matter with him. Next come to Arsenicum album. Fear of death, anguish, restlessness. It is the key point of this remedy. Depressing, melancholy, despairing, indifferent, anxious, fretful, restless, full of anguish. Irritable, sensitive, peevish, easily vexed. Mentally restless but physically too weak to move. It is arsenic patient. Changes places continually because of his restlessness. Fear of death, it is useless to take medicine. It is arsenic patient that always says the disease is incurable, but in case of aconite, the patient says predicts the day he will die or fear of death during pregnancy. Anxiety attack at night, driving out of bed, aggravation after midnight. Because of his anxiety, patient cannot sleep. Teething children, pale, weak, fretful, want to be carried rapidly. Then come to asaram. Patient is nervous, anxious people, excitable or melancholy. Imagines hovering in the air like a spirit. Lightness of all the limbs. Next come to Asterias rubens. Any emotion excites mainly contradiction. It is the first medicine for contradiction. Next come to aurum met. Elements from fright, anger, contradiction, mortification, vexation, dread or reserved displeasure. It is the second medicine for contradiction, as first was Asterias. Constantly dwelling on suicide. It is the only constant thought of aurum met patient. Profound melancholy. feels hateful, quarrelsome, desire to commit suicide. Life is a constant burden for Oromed patient. Hurried, great desire for mental and physical activity. Cannot do thing fast enough. We can compare Ars nitricum with Oromed. Ars nitricum patient impulsive, want to do things in a hurry, must walk fast, is always hurried. But in Oromed, uneasy, hurried, great desire for mental and physical activity, cannot do things fast enough. Hurried comparison. Today's task. What is the first remedy for hypochondriac? As second one is anacardium. Hint, previous video. Please see it and comment below. Must comment guys the remedy. Thank you all.